Look, when it comes to your wardrobe, your denim is probably one of the most useful pieces you'll ever have. I want to get you to a point where you don't have 20 pairs of jeans and instead you boil it down to 5. Matter of fact, these are the 5 pair of jeans that I wear the most in my wardrobe because they're the most versatile. These will make you look the most stylish and help you compose the most outfits. Let's hop into this. Number 1, black. Black. You need to have a pair of black jeans. In my opinion, out of any denim that you can wear, this is the dressiest pair. This is the pair that you can level up without actually having to wear a suit or slacks or chinos or anything like that. Personally, I prefer a slimmer cut here because I'm going for that nice tailored look. It's so dressy that you can pair these nicely with a pair of loafers, a nice button down, or even a nice sweater, and you got a sweet look that's not gonna make you feel out of place. Number 2, a straight cut. Look, I've been raving about straight cut denim. Matter of fact, I'm wearing a pair right now because it's the most comfortable. Once you make your transition from skinny jeans to straight cut, I promise you, you will never look back. And with this pair's a little bit different, I'm not gonna lie. This one is from a company called Doer, and let's just say that these are probably the most comfortable pants you'll ever wear. According to them, they have the best pants in the world. I would say they're pretty close. Like I haven't tried something as comfortable as this, and mainly because they use a lot of natural ingredients like natural plants, wood chips, and eucalyptus trees to form these fabrics that honestly, I personally haven't seen any other competitor have. Most brands just have 100% organic cotton jeans, and that's why they're very tough and hard and uncomfortable. They've made these proprietary blends that are insane. For example, this pair that you're seeing has 3% Cool Max fabric. The Cool Max fabric is intertwined into the fabric to help wick away moisture and feel more comfortable. So not only does the fabric stretch in every way possible, making it probably the most comfortable denim that you'll ever wear, it also has cooling technology to keep you refreshed all day. Like, yo, honestly, these are some of the most comfortable jeans you'll wear, and given the fact that they're a straight cut, it's not constricting. You don't feel tight, and this is the type of pant that you just won't want to take off. This is something that you'll want to keep probably every day of the week, and honestly, you're in luck. See, our sponsor, Doer, has almost every pant option you can think of. Denim, whether you want it slim cut, or straight cut, or skinny cut, or relaxed cut, whatever cut you want, whatever color or design, they probably have a style for you, and all of them are using those proprietary blends that are going to be different than anything that you have in your wardrobe. Yo, don't just take my word for it. Like, I want you to try a pair for yourself. See just what makes these pants so amazing, and I promise you, like, I don't think you'll look at denim the same ever again. After you wear a pair this comfortable, this cooling, you won't go back. If you guys want to check out our sponsor, Doer, they're going to be linked down below. There's going to be a special discount code there as well that's going to make the jeans even more affordable. That way you can try a pair for yourself and just see what the hype is. Like, yo, like I don't want to take these off. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, they're crazy comfortable. Get yourself a pair. Links down below. Our third style is what I call a fitted pair. This one, I'm going to go for a navy colorway. I like to keep my jeans more on the darker sides just because I feel like you get most of the versatility out of it. Again, I'm not going for something skinny or too tight because that's just uncomfortable. This tailored pair is also from Doer, so it has that 34% tensile Cool Max blend. Now, these aren't actually jeans. They're Doer's no sweat pants, and I wanted to include them because they look like denim, but they're unbelievably comfortable. But more importantly, what you're looking at here is the style and fit. So you want something that's fitted and dark just to give you the versatility that if you do want to dress it up, you can, but you can also dress it down. See, if you want to look rugged, here I paired it with some nice boots and a simple crew neck sweater. Nothing over the top, and if I want to simplify this even more, since they fit so good, I can swap the boots for some sneakers, the top for a basic t-shirt, and again, they just work with almost anything. Number 4, a light wash. Like I said, most of my denim, or at least the 5 basic ones, they're gonna be dark. Just because, again, you're gonna get most of the versatility from there. But I do think you need at least one light wash pair. It's a classic, it's simple, it gives you that dad aesthetic, which obviously is in style, and more importantly, it's cool. Like, it feels refreshing. So it's great for a little bit of the warmer months. I wouldn't recommend this when it's in the middle of the winter. You can if you want to, but the light wash just feels refreshing. So when it's hot outside and you still wanna wear jeans, go with that light cut. You get that dad aesthetic, you look like you're in style, you look good. And finally, number 5, it's Salvage denim. This is the raw denim. This is for my dudes that are, you're tough, right? You're a badass, right? this is if you want that aesthetic, this is the denim for you. The main reason for it is because like, yo, this is the type of pair that you never wash, right? This is the jean that you'll buy and wear every single day and never wash it. And what happens is the denim starts developing its own characteristics, its own distressing that's unique to you, and it starts molding and forming to your body. The cool thing with Salvage is that not only does it look rugged and raw and hardcore, but it becomes unique. It becomes a one-of-one piece that nobody else in the world will have because it'll adjust to the way that you wear it and the way that you style it. You pair this with a nice pair of rugged boots, a flannel shirt, you got a nice look that you can wear whenever, and you got a pair of jeans that's gonna last you years. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Doer. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.